Complete luxury. Look at this ginormous box. So excited. Whoa. In order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different. Coco Chanel. Oh my God. Open first. Happy New Year. This is a thing. Okay, hang on. Thank you for being a complete luxury subscriber. I am grateful to you. May 2022 be your best year yet. Stay stylish. Linda. What am I saying? Stop it right now. Is that in here? Okay. January 2022 box contents. Freshwater handmade pearl stretch ring. Ooh, cool. Roll your freshwater pearl ring on any one of your fingers and enjoy in a hurry when you leave the house. Simply roll this ring on whichever finger is lovely. Look at that. Holy cow, it's 131 retail. All right, and then 50-inch handmade organic mother of pearl necklace. Wear it long or short. Tie a knot. Okay. Ooh, I'm excited to see. And stop it, a bag in a bag. It's an oh so soft ombre catch-all vegan leather bag with matching there's a purse in there too. Provides versatility and style. Wear your bag with your favorite jacket, jeans, t-shirts, or to the office. Possibilities are endless. Some ideas for your matching purse. Comes with a strap, so you can use it crossbody. Ooh, a makeup bag. Ah! Okay, I can't wait. Oh my God! This is an awesome bag. Oh my God. I have needed one of these. Yes. And it looks good with the outfit I'm wearing today. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right. Yeah, so cute. And it goes with my stuff I'm wearing today. Let's see, I'm gonna wear it on this finger. Perfect for any finger. This is so pretty. So I guess I can double like this. Look at that.